Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's explainer, where we are tackling a highly targeted resource for professionals looking to seriously level up. If you've been wanting to master that intersection between project management and artificial intelligence, well, you're absolutely in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the PMI-CPMAI certification, who's talking about it, and exactly where you need to go to get ready.
Because the big question really is, how do you actually prepare for the PMI-CPMI? That is the core question we're answering today. Let's be real. When you're looking down the barrel of a major professional milestone like this, the preparation phase can honestly feel just as daunting as the certification itself. You need structured, crystal-clear guidance. You don't just want vague theories. You want a targeted roadmap from someone who truly knows the space inside and out. So the absolutely crucial point is figuring out exactly where to find that roadmap so you can maximize your study time and just laser focus entirely on the material.
All right, moving on to Section 1, decoding the PMI-CPMAI and what that acronym actually means.
What's really interesting here is the deliberate language used in this title. PMI-CPMAI stands for PMI Certified Professional in Managing AI. Let's unpack that for a second, because it really matters. We aren't just talking about understanding AI in a general sense, or, sitting down and coding artificial intelligence from scratch. The absolute key word here is managing. This is about stepping up as a certified professional who can actually direct, guide, and literally manage artificial intelligence initiatives within an organization. It's a highly specific, incredibly relevant skill set in today's rapidly shifting technological landscape.
Which brings us to Section 2. Meet Anand Vemula, your certification guide.
So Anand Vemula is the host of the Tech Horizon channel. As a YouTube video creator, he's put together a dedicated guide specifically focused on PMI-CPMAI preparation. Basically, all of his insights on how to tackle this exact certification are packaged directly into his content. He is the person mapping out the entire strategy for you.
And that leads us right into Section 3, your Tech Horizon preparation and exactly where to go next.
The crucial takeaway is this. The Tech Horizon channel on YouTube is your definitive destination for preparation. Instead of randomly scouring the internet and falling down rabbit holes, you can navigate straight to Anand's channel and dive into his specific video breaking down the exact preparation steps. It's a direct, highly focused path to absorbing exactly what you need efficiently and without any of those unnecessary distractions.
So here's a question to leave you with today. Are you ready to master managing AI with Anand Vemula? We've unpacked the certification, we've identified your expert guide, and we've pointed you directly to the Tech Horizon channel. The roadmap is literally waiting for you. So, what is your next move? I really encourage you to go find that resource and take that next step in your professional journey. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy learning.